okay right now. Let's just see how it goes, shall we? Okay, so I think I got here pretty early. I am way earlier than every other person. So I was actually trying to beat traffic, and I beat the traffic well. There was no traffic, just few minor, not too serious traffic at the venue. I didn't want to show you guys the setup yet because the guests are yet to arrive. So I'm here at the sitting room waiting. I did a little bit of a makeup. I don't know if you can see that. And they gave me lunch. So let me just eat first and then before going downstairs again. So guess what I'm with? Inside the ground. Tower we entered the ground today. And one is also shine like tower. God. No, I'm not recording. I'm not lying. I'm just vlogging. Okay. She's scared. She made that. So you're looking sexy as fuck. Lady, calm down. No, you have to go. I will do it before and after. See the three of them.
Your time starts now.
I can have what? My glass? Can I have my drink back? All of you.
Hi guys, this is Wow.
What the frick?
I told you I would take it down.
What the frick? James on the moon. James on the moon.
It's my shade. Yeah. How about the compact? It's very smooth. It looks nice.
Hand on the paper.
Sorry.
It's okay, right?
Yeah.
How do I look?
If I see my face in like 10 of the videos, in fact, not videos.
We're going to start off with introducing ourselves, like I said. And what I want you to do is something unique, right? So you're not just telling us your name. Chocolate Shade, appreciate Chocolate Shade. Team Brownies, kindly appreciate your representative. The tall black tall black chick, please appreciate.
Yeah,
Let's get. I will send We're heading back to the mainland. I think the party's over. I don't know what's taking so long. It's been like 10 minutes already and he's not here yet. So I don't know what's taking.